Let's talk about the Amazon video verification process. So first off, it is generally about 30 minutes or so. You will be on camera, so they'll be able to see your face. Amazon will not be on camera. So any Amazon employee that you're speaking to, you will not be able to see them, but they will be able to see you. You should first off make sure to do your due diligence beforehand to get to the bottom of why Amazon is contacting you about this, right? There's usually a notice somewhere in there. If they don't specifically mention it in a prior notice or in the current notice, you have to dig and find out information. So consult an expert, contact Account Health, do what you can to ascertain the reason behind the call, okay? You also need to make sure that you have an ID, so a license or passport. Amazon is probably going to ask you to hold it up to the camera, so you need to have it in hand. You also should make sure to print out all of your documents, so your corporate documents, your articles of organization, EIN information, bank statements, proof of payment, addresses. You need to make sure that all these documents you have printed, so physical copies, and then you also have it electronically. If Amazon asks you to send it, which they often will during the call itself, they'll do it through an attachment, right? So it's similar to Zoom, how when you type into the chat box, you can attach specific documents. So you need to make sure that you have everything ready to go beforehand. What you don't want to have happen is Amazon asks for something that you can't provide. If we can avoid it, that's what we want to do. We want to do our best to make sure that Amazon has everything they need to make sure this does not cause additional problems, okay? Now, keep in mind, this doesn't always mean that your account is going to be suspended, but it's certainly something to take very seriously. It could be a routine check. It could be Amazon suspects something and they're looking for the verification to determine whether that's accurate or not. But you need to make sure you have everything prepared and that you understand the process before you go through it.